Today is heated floors and self-leveling. Already put down the NXT patch. It's for all the cracks in the screw heads. First, we have to take care of the whole perimeter. Alright, here's the products. This is from Home Depot. 100% silicone from Home Depot. Expanding foam from Home Depot. And this one was, I got it at Floor and Decor. Also have the primer. Gaps, I'm going to use expanding foam. And the smaller gaps, I'll use 100% silicone. So that was it for filling the gaps. It's been about 45 minutes. Into the crack. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back with silicone, and I'm going to silicone this edge, and then I'm going to put the seal. And as you can see, I did it to the other walls. Alright, we're going to put the sill seal. I'm going to put some silicone. And then I'll put this on and staple it. This is for the, it's 1/8, it's for the expansion of the self-leveler. When I get the self-leveler on, I'm actually going to cut this at the level of the self-leveler. Do that around the room. If you didn't notice, I actually cut it down. Here's the easiest way to cut it in half. There's a transition piece that goes here, so I left about 1 inch. I didn't want to have to bust out any self-leveler, so I filled it in and I cut it to about 1 inch so I could put the transition piece right there in the threshold. Here we are at the primer stage. We're going to use NXT primer. You could brush it on, roll it on, spray it on. For plywood, it's a 1-to-1, so I just mixed it inside the bottle, added another gallon inside here since I'm only going to be using it for plywood. This is how high the self-leveler has to be in that area. The one over there is kind of short because that is the highest point of the floor.